Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL tutorials. In today's video, I am going to explain about how to make a new database connection in SQL Developer. And we all know that we have a lot of commands related to the database in SQL. Normally in SQL, like creating a database and selecting a particular database to use and all. But what happens in the SQL Developer is we need to make a new database connection in order to use a particular database that is like separately installed in your local system. Now how to connect to a database by creating a new connection, that is what I am going to explain in this video. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here first of all what I am doing is I am creating a new connection here and I am giving a new connection here. The connection is nothing but a new database connection, which is nothing but in SQL Developer it is nothing but creating a new database in SQL Developer. So in order to create that database, we need to create a new database connection here. So if you do not install the database previously in your local system, then please go ahead and install the one of the version like either 12c or 11g, whatever it may be. Here I am using a Oracle Express Edition 11g and I am connecting a new doing a new database connection here with the name here as SQL tutorials, and I am giving a name as system, and I am giving a password as whenever you install the Oracle Express Edition or Oracle some of the version database, then it will ask for the password by itself. Then you need to remember that particular password, then and you have to enter that particular password here itself for username as this or system, and I am using a system here, and for the password I am entering whatever the password that I entered when installing the Oracle database. So once it is done, I am saving it, and before connecting I want to test the connection. If I test it, then it will result in a success, then it is a successful connection, and that means the database is successfully created. If it is not success, then it is showing some error. If you don't have the Oracle Express Edition like Oracle database behind in our local system, then it will show some of the error like network adapter not found or something like that, some license issue, some types of failed connection will represent in the status connection here. What I am doing is I am clicking on the test here. So here if you observe here, then it is showing it status as success. Now the database is successfully created. Now what I want is I want to connect that particular database. So instead of writing any commands, just I am clicking the connect button here. It will again prompt for the whatever the password that you have mentioned while creating the connection. Now I am entering the same password here for the connection, and I am clicking OK. See, whenever that connection is successful, then it will pop up a new database connection on your left side panel. Here I have created, these are all the previous database connections that I have created for some other problems. Here I have created SQL tutorials for our problem. So this is how you can create a new database connection here. So thank you for watching guys.